In this video we're going to show you how to make creative split screens just like this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Chris and Christina. We are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get started with this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos just like this one. No matter what type of videos you create, the use of a split screen effect to show multiple clips can really be a good way to make your videos more entertaining and creative. And if you use these split screens correctly, you can really up the quality of your videos.
So you might be thinking, that looks a little difficult and I don't have the time to be cropping and masking and scaling and repositioning all my clips to make split screens. But Filmora and Filmstock have made it really easy with ready-made templates.
Essentially, this allows you to create these split screen effects using a drag and drop system. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into Filmora 12 and Christina's going to show you how to create your own custom split screen effect.
Filmora has recently released Filmora 12, so if you haven't yet updated, be sure to do that before you begin. So you really won't believe how easy it is to make split screens for yourself and your videos. Filmora and Filmstock have already done all the hard work and all you need to bring is your video clips. So to start making your split screens, all you need to do is find the section in Filmora called Templates and click on the Split Screen tab. Here you can see Filmora has created many different styles of templates for split screens. There are different categories that have different graphics related to that category or niche. So that means you can use these for virtually any type of video content. So quickly looking at the different sections, we have the basic split screens that feature different layouts and different numbers of clips on screen, with the maximum being 6 clips on screen at once. We also have a social media section, gaming, vlogs, sport, and many more that will help you to take your video to the next level. So let's have a look at some examples of how we can use these split screens to enhance our creativity. For this first example, I started with a basic layout of just 2 clips on screen. I took a nice walk through the forest during autumn and it was just so nice and peaceful and I got some really great cinematic clips. So I thought I would use 2 of these to make this split screen. So there are a couple of ways to go about putting this split screen together. First, choose your template and put it on the timeline. Once you do that, the menu for the split screen will open. Some split screens already come with animation and you can actually choose to turn this on or off by using this toggle right here. You can also change the color of the border here using this drop-down color tab. To add your clips, you can click on the Advanced tab and add them from your media library. You can also move the clips around to your liking, zoom in and out, and choose to turn off the audio here. A quicker way to add clips is to do it right from your timeline. From here, you can just drag your clips over to the split screen and quickly place them in the right place. If you want to choose a specific part of a clip, then be sure to put your in and out points on the clip before you drag it over. So for this coffee split screen, this is using split screen 25. All I did was add my 3 clips, repositioned a little, changed the border to black, and I have this really professional split screen to use. I don't need to do anything else because the animation is already done. Using split screen 18, I created this split screen effect for a music video. This is a really popular video effect that musicians like to use because it allows you to see each person or instrument being played at the same time. So using this 4-part split screen, I added 4 different clips of 4 different instruments, and as easy as that, you have a really cool music video clip.
So I know it feels like we say this quite a bit, but it is important when you're using split screens, and that is to try and keep things quite minimal. You have to remember that someone who hasn't seen your video before is seeing these clips for the first time, so if you have too many clips on screen, it's hard for them to process what they're seeing, and it can get a little bit confusing. So just make sure to keep it simple and allow your audience to take in the different scenes.
And of course, don't forget that you can use these split screens to display your photos as well as videos. So let me show you a few of my other favourite split screen effects. I really like this Polaroid one found in the vlog section. You could use it to showcase your travel clips like I have done here, or any of your photos and turn them into cute Polaroids. Another split screen effect I love in the vlog section is this glitch screen overlay, which is like a roll of film. You can place your clips or photos inside. Here are some clips of Chris and I from different videos over the years, and what I have done is put 2 of these together, and then used the flip roll transition to slide to the next. So it looks like the film roll is moving to the next slides. A very cool vintage effect. This split screen is also really good for making it look like you're on a video call, if this was something you wanted to include in your video. You can find it here in the social media section. And no need to worry about the animation, as the answering of a video call is already done. There are also different devices and screens like phones or laptops that you can put video clips on in the mockup section. You could put your video on a laptop screen just like this. And the split screen templates don't end there. Be sure to check out the different sections to find one that best suits your video.
So as always with these videos, those are just a few examples that Christina created, but there are a lot more templates that you can use yourself and try out in your own videos. And just before we finish, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any future videos like this one.
Have fun creating your own split screens, keep creating, and we will see you in the next one.